Hi everyone, welcome to Trackplan. In this video I'm going to talk about site and building management. This is one of the main things you would need to set up. It is central to the app. We're in the main site screen, showing a list of all the buildings. Here you can get an overview of many features, such as the reference or code, the site type, the region, the address. You can see if a site is compliant based on its planned maintenance. You also have a summary of all reactive and planned jobs and job requests open and overdue. You can click on them and see. It would show you the list. Like with every other Trackplan grid, you can filter the information showing on the list with the filters at the top and on each column. Notice that you can see different icons on the sites, like this one, telling you that there are assets in this site, or this one here that tells you that there is one or more documents uploaded against this site. You can click through on these icons to see the specific information. Now we're going into the site details. Here you can see and do a lot more. You can, for example, edit the site, create a job directly from here against this site. You can see the specific geolocation of the site. You can select a default assigned user, budget or contractor. And you can set a site warning note or a contractor's note. You can configure these to show up when you email them. Now I'm going to talk from the different tabs briefly. We've got locations and sub-locations. Notice that you can add them directly from here. Planned schedules, a nice summary of the planned jobs for this site. These screens allows you to edit things as well. Assets, you can add and see assets belonging to the building. Documents, you can add and see documents belonging to the building. Forms, you can see and add forms to the site, such as inspection forms, surveys or meter readings. As well as completing forms sent with reactive and planned jobs, you can also complete a form on the fly. Contacts. Here you can add users and contacts to the site, so it's a quick way of managing your users. For example, in the case of a property management company, you can manage your tenants here. And custom fields. You can capture here additional information for each site, such as lease dates, rent information or tenant information. Well, that would be all for now. I hope the video was useful and thanks a lot for watching. Bye!